In recent years, trifold bikes, including a certain name brand and its many copycats, are gaining popularity in the market. The DAHON CURL series, with its trending trifold design, offers far superior performance than all of them. Boosted with 11 patented technologies, the Curl is streets ahead of those other products. Curl is more compact and folds and unfolds faster. Curl uses aviation-grade aluminum alloy, a stiffer and more durable choice than steel. Curl adopts a telescopic Eiffel Tower-shaped stem design that is incomparable in strength and stiffness. While other bikes have fixed handlebars that can lead to fatigue during long rides, the height and angle of Curl's handlebar can be easily adjusted for maximum comfort. Curl features a sturdy front fork with rectangular-shaped tubes to efficiently absorb impacts. Curl employs square-frame tubes. The large diameter and bend-resistant characteristics make the frame rigid and resistant to deformation. Tubes of other bikes are too thin to provide needed stiffness and pedaling efficiency. Curl's frame features a double down-tube triangle which has been doubled in size that improves both the strength and the stiffness. All these other products are known to have obvious design defects, especially the low rear suspension axis, which notoriously makes the bikes bounce up and down while pedaling. Though without suspension, the Curl's frame is more rigid, providing a direct power input, thus offering a better riding experience, higher acceleration, and greater climbing capability. Repeated testing has proven that the Curl is more than twice as stiff and thus has a much improved riding efficiency. Curl comes with an anti-drop chain guide that not only increases riding safety, but also guards against scratching during the folding process. Curl can be equipped with a 9-speed external cassette. The folding mechanisms of all these products from other brands use slow and outdated screw-type clamps, while Curl's modern design dominates both in speed and strength. Curl is equipped with patented DAHON quick-release pedals that are easy to remove and store. The folded size can thus be further reduced. We focused on adding outstanding functionality to the DAHON CURL folding bike and providing the best riding experience for bike lovers. DAHON CURL invites you to join us and experience the future of folding bikes.